What you have to do, we found a house. It's been halfway built for at least 2-3 years, I think.
Yeah, roundabout.
And it's a huge monster house, and it's literally left undone. But it's got a gate. We're gonna try to go check it out. Lambros. It's stevecarrington.com if you're new to the channel. And I'm in the Rolls today. We just checked on the Claremore property. I'm here with Chris and his giant truck. And we are at what we think might be the next project. Now this thing is bolted and chained up, huh?
Yeah, but I'm about to hop this fence.
Yeah, you could kind of get through there. That's broken right there anyway.
Yeah, but it's chained up. I don't want a trespassing charge today. So
if you jump over that, be careful, because if you fall, you'll be speared in the butt. Someone's gonna have to secure the truck. Oh yeah, once it gets to that level, then you're good. Yeah. Whoa!
All right. I'm officially trespassed.
We're filming the trespassing. Do you see any cameras around?
I'm sure there is.
So, bro, listen.
Hey, we're potential buyers, though. Like, we got cash in hand. We're ready to make a move.
We don't really know if it's for sale.
We're gonna hope.
we have contacted the person that we think owns it, because, bro, look at this house.
Dude, this thing's sweet.
Look at the upstairs.
I'd buy this house if it wasn't in Claremore.
Look, there's no windows. There's no.
Yeah, I don't really know what happened here.
There's really no point of you jumping over unless I come with the camera, and I don't know if I want to do that. Mainly for one reason. Now, this is super stupid, okay? But I have my green Yeezys on, and they get dirty really easy. Yeah, and Phil, if I get on this and do that whole thing that he did, might mess up the Yeezys. You want to walk up there and check it out? Well, hold the camera and you film me climbing over then.
You gotta push against the truck. There you go. Yep.
Push against the truck.
Yeah. Officially trespassing. I'm so proud of you right now.
That was a little bit more graceful than you. The neighbor's probably calling him over there. Hi, we're with the county. I want to play that thing off of TikTok, that don't be suspicious, don't be suspicious.
Don Ralphio?
All the drywall's all tore out up there.
Yeah, I think something happened. Oh yeah, it was a fire. See his chart up there?
I wonder maybe it was a fire and they didn't have insurance.
Here.
There's literally a deadbolt with a broken window.
Yeah, it's alright, we can get in.
Oh.
Dude, this thing is...
What has torn, is that, do you think squirrels have torn all through that drywall?
Hey, there's a smoke detector.
Always a smoke detector that
works.
That's the battery's going dead on it. I mean, this thing is jacked, bro. What is this though? This is like, bro, this is like someone cut into the wall and took the wiring out. For real, look. It's like cut off up there and cut off down here. And that's what they did up here, is they just busted through. Oh, they had to like redo all the wiring, so they ripped it all out. But dude, like this doesn't look like it's been finished though. Because a fire wouldn't have done this. You know what I'm saying? There's nothing here.
Well, you don't know. It might have had a leak too at the same time. You know, because it's Peck's water line, so if they got hot, they busted. Or melted, whatever I call it. No, somebody was definitely living here. This is a lived house. What if somebody died here and we're just hanging out here? Like there's a ghost or something. Like,
I don't know. What if there's a ghost?
I don't know how I feel about that.
Right after you said that, it beeped, and it actually kind of startled me just then. I don't know if you saw it on the camera, but I heard something about dead people and then chirp.
Oh, now we're fucked. It's like a grudge. You know, like once you go into the house, you're...
Yeah, you've already like stirred up the spirit.
Yeah, like now I'm gonna go home and...
What was that? They cut out a...
theater room.
Oh, like a downstairs. Oh yeah, because look at this.
Yep. This
is the theater drapes and a little restroom off of there. Yeah, you might be better off not.
Well, that's why I have investors that drive Lambros and Rolls Royces.
Don't worry, Steve. This will take 6 years to finish, but yeah, this is charred right here. Look at all this. This is all charred from fire, and that's all charred from fire.
This was the master. Holy shit. This shit.
That's all charred from fire.
This is monstrous. Hey, we can say that for the...
Windows out.
Where do we think the fire started? I'm gonna guess in here, maybe? I don't know.
It's all up
right
there.
Electrical. That was electrical box right there. Hopefully we don't fall through.
No kidding.
Maybe somebody will know we're here.
This is the... Oh, we can keep that. We can save that toilet. I mean, this is kind of like a mystery house. This is crazy. Look, there's the. This is kind of nuts, bro. I wonder if we can find like a news article or something about it, like on Channel 6 or something. There's really no telling. This is, I'm kind of glad that we hopped the fence. Because this is like, I wouldn't walk on that. Is this cement? Yeah, oh, it's cement. Yeah, you're good. It is too.
This shit Todd does. This is that overlay.
Oh, this is like Todd's work.
Stuff.
Yeah, this is Todd's kind of work. Place set's in better shape than the house back there. Guys, this is what happens legit when you just leave a house to the elements. So there's 2 flights of stairs. We came up over on that side, but you can come down on this side. I'm not gonna go down that one because it has bird poop all over. This place is G-act. All right.
We're buying it. I don't even know how. I don't know what it costs.
How many squares of footage do you think there is here?
Easily 5,000. Easily.
5,000 squares of feet. This is pretty cool, but what a piece of crap. I mean, wow. The fire started, bro, somewhere around in here. It had to. Wow, man.
It started downstairs.
Yeah, and there's a garage over here too. Well, this door's just unlocked. There's a garage.
Is that really it? Oh, no, there's no.
Yeah, because this has speaker. I mean, someone had to
somebody was
have lived here at some point. So this looks like a new slab. Oh yeah, air conditioners gone. Hey, so
this thing needs some love.
I wonder if it burned, right? And then they got some insurance money and then they just spin it and didn't fix the house. Because it's not foreclosed on, so maybe if they owned it.
Maybe they had enough money that they don't care and they just like take a check and we'll doze the house later.
I messaged the guy we think owns the house on Facebook.
Call the number?
I've not called the number yet. Do you want to call her?
Like, hey, I'm currently.
I'm gonna let you read the number because I don't want to put it on.
You just passed my name.
I know, but it's not on there. All right, it's a 620 area code, which is Arizona, by the way.
Oh man.
This. Oh, it's disconnected. That was our only hope. Oh, Connie Jean, where are you? Oh God. Oh God, we're never gonna be. We gotta figure out how to get back over this fence.
Yeah, that's gonna be the fun part.
Oh, that's a cop. Maybe that's Connie. Hello, officer. Don't worry, we kind of live here. All right, so listen, we don't know if this house will work or if it can be our next project, but what do you think? I mean, it would be a doozy. That's all for today. I'm just gonna not film us trying to climb back over this fence because it's probably gonna mess up Chris's truck. So here, Chris, here, you're on there?
Yeah.
I'll hold it this way.
Yeah, just hold it.
And then you're gonna repay me whenever I go to climb over.
Oh, God.
All right.
This is super.
That's enough fun. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next video.